Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 25th of July. And today was a very fun day. The markets did gap down last night, Sunday night, to a lot lower into like 1322, I believe, something like that. And it did buy up a little bit into today. We grabbed a short here, rode that down a little bit, and then grabbed another short here, which we were able to also write down a little bit. We did get stopped out on a short, on a couple shorts actually. We got stopped out on. We grabbed along in this area here, which we were able to ride up for some profit, and then we grabbed a long here, which we were also able to ride up into some profit. And that was the day. We had 6 trades for a maximum profit potential of 5 3/4 points or 20 ticks. And this is assuming we're only trading with one contract, guys. Because I want you to see the potential with one contract. What can be done. 5.75 points today would have been done. Actually, what we trade is multiple contracts. So in the room, we actually did 9 1/4 points or 37 ticks. I do get some questions as far as the trading results. I used the lowest number. The lowest number was 575. Even though in the room we did make 925. I'm a conservative guy. I like to, when I estimate, I like to underestimate. I would rather be, I'd rather make it as easy as possible for myself. So I like to underestimate. So I used the lower number of this. Even though we did make 9 1/4 points in the room, I'm using this number here. So to answer all the questions out there that I've been getting, yeah, I do email everybody back, but, maybe someone out there has a question they haven't asked yet. So, there's your answer to that. I encourage everyone to stop by, check out the room. The website, www.businesswithtrading.com. We have a lot of fun. We talk markets all day long. We focus on the ES market, right here, the S&P futures market. It's a lot of fun to trade, and I think focusing on that gives us a lot of targets what we're looking at a little bit more, and gets you in tune with the market. And that's really what happens over time. Once you trade for a certain amount of time, you start to become one with the market. That does not mean you are 100% successful, because no one, I've never heard of anyone, and I doubt there will ever be anyone who makes profit 100% of the time. All those people that claim I make profit 90% of the time, doing that all the time is impossible. Have I had weeks where I've been 90% plus? Yes, I have. I've had weeks where I never made a losing trade, but they're few and far between. Most of the time it's not going to be that way. 90% of your trades being right, most of the time that's not going to be the case. But we do have a lot of fun, and we do make money most of the time, which is the most important thing. Trading can be very ugly. As long as you make money, that's all that really matters. So, but I do encourage you to stop by, check out the room. Upper right hand side of the website, I do have a contact form, so feel free to send me any questions, comments, suggestions, feedback, whatever you might have. Feel free to do that. I enjoy reading email, and enjoy meeting new traders. It's a lot of fun. I've had a lot of fun since I've had the room open, and I think I will continue to have fun. I really do love trading. I enjoy it. It's a passion of mine, and to be able to talk about it all day long is, it's awesome. It's a very great feeling, and I'm pretty sure I'll have a lot more fun as as the days come by. Every day I do approach it in with a positive attitude. I do have a lot of fun. I do a morning analysis for all the traders, and then I do an analysis after the room closes at 12 o'clock Eastern time. And usually I do a weekend video if something important is coming up, and I hadn't talked about it before. Sometimes I do talk about things that I'm looking at. As I close the room, I'm talking about them multiple times, and but usually I do all of that, and I do have a lot of fun. And lastly, we do have a live trading course starting up in September 1st is when it's going to start. I was thinking about doing it in August. I did get a lot of feedback. August is not really a good time. It's back to school, and last bit of vacations and whatnot. So I'm going to start it September 1st. It's a live trading class, and Sunday night is the class, and then from that Sunday to the next Sunday night, I schedule one-on-one time with all of the traders in the class, so that way we can go over things one-on-one, get to know each other, see what is working, what isn't working, and after the course is over, which is 2 to 3 months, depending on how many questions we have, how much material we get through, and I do an ongoing support for a year with all the classroom participants. Because it's really about, the whole concept is to help new traders, or to help traders get over the hump. If you are a trader, you're not as successful as you want to be. So that's the whole concept. So I figured I'd talk about that a little bit. It's on the website. Click on mentorship, and it talks a little bit more about that. And of course, contact form on the website. You can send me any questions and whatnot. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. I know I went over a little bit, too much rambling by me, but thanks everyone for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Thanks for supporting the website. Have an awesome day. I'll see everyone tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.